Okay, we've had these burgers on for approximately 2 or 3 minutes, actually. So we're getting some good nice grill marks on them. So, as I said earlier, I like using the spatula like this because it's a lot thinner. It's a lot easier to get up underneath hamburgers. And I'll just give those just a light mash. I don't want to press them down a whole bunch simply because I don't want to squeeze all the juice out of them because we'll dry them out that way. So I just try to do this as quick as I can so that I don't have to mess with the meat product as much as some. Okay, if you notice there's a lot more prominent markings on this side, which means it's a little bit hotter over here than it is on this side. So, as I said, with a gas grill, all you have to do is adjust your heat, and I'll get those to catch up with those, and we'll be all ready. And we'll come back here in a couple minutes and start making some hamburgers.